June of 2023, just outside of Washington, D.C., representatives from over 40 organizations came together for the first TRIP Summit. TRIP, the Thermal Runaway Incident Program, a collaborative effort between UL Standards and Engagement and the global aviation industry. TRIP, advancing lithium battery safety in aviation. TRIP helps connect the disconnected. The disconnected, independent efforts to study thermal runaway safety issues within the aviation, battery, research, manufacturing, government, and safety communities. TRIP convenes and engages this diverse yet highly vested stakeholder coalition to work together, leveraging data, research, and insights to mitigate risk and increase safety within both passenger and cargo operations.
Good morning, everyone. This is our first TRIP Summit. What we're here to do is to look forward.
The 2023 TRIP Summit's crowning achievements were extraordinary. A roadmap was created which provides a route for stakeholders to achieve 4 key goals that will help reduce the risk of incidents. To build global momentum, planning has started for 2 TRIP events in 2024, the first to be held in London in April, the second to be held in the United States in the fall. Plans for 2025 include TRIP events in Asia, and new messaging is being created to target airline executives. To help inform legislators and regulators, TRIP's messages will highlight already established safety standards. To educate the flying public, a safety message campaign will be developed and delivered to target audiences. Finally, an additional public-facing campaign will be created specifically addressing e-cigarette risks and related in-flight incidents. To reduce the risk of battery incidents in aviation, TRIP needs your expertise, insight, and involvement. The time is now to participate in crafting safety solutions for today and beyond. Reach out and bring your experience from the aviation, battery, research, manufacturing, government, and safety communities.
So TRIP, we really are encouraged that is continuing to get us data that we don't have otherwise.
Diverse voices at the table equals better data, refined insights, and increased safety success. To learn more about TRIP, the 2024 London TRIP Summit, or to get involved, please contact us at trip@ul.org. TRIP, advancing lithium battery safety in aviation.